Well, you already know. One wheel is out. Time for an RV park review. Heading to the front. Gonna have to make this one a fast one. The battery's running down. And today we're coming to you from Riverside RV Park in Utah, right outside of Salt Lake City, kind of like Ogden, Utah area. Coming in, lots of room. It's a straight on shot right here. And you have your check-in station with your little store, and you have your bathrooms for if you're gonna be camping and you need a bathhouse type scenario with your showers and stuff. Super wide open when you show up. There's about 91 sites here. And the reason we're showcasing this a little bit, it's probably one of the nicer RV parks in the Salt Lake City area. And they are big rig friendly. There's some sites in here that like we're in a 100-foot pull through site. So I thought it would be neat to share that with you. So let's just kind of run through here real quick and you can have a look at everything. It's the typical little store area. Here's your bathhouse slash showers, bathroom. Nice little setups here. And then you have a really nice little laundry facility that's right here off the entrance with 91 sites here. There's some of them that are smaller for, you know, your little travel trailers, and some of them are a little bit bigger. This site I think is 70 feet. Right off behind when you come in, you have your pool area, which is a great area. And then behind over there is your hot tub. And of course, you got to have your wonderful pickleball court and fire pit. What makes it unique is you are right off of this river that's right here. Let's see if I can come up here so I can show you. A lot of people have been coming out here and they've been going fly fishing. I haven't seen anyone catch anything yet, but hence the name Riverside, right? It's a flowing river. I don't know if it's because of all the snow melt that it makes it so flowing, but I need to bring this to your attention real quick, because if you're coming in with a big rig, you might freak out for a minute if you're going to go to where our site is. So right here, when you come in, you're going to make a hard left turn where we just were. And you're going to come down here, but you've got to make this turn to go to where our site is. You have a red pole right here, a rock right here. It doesn't seem like there's a lot of space. So I ended up taking this turn all the way to this edge and going like probably a foot from the side of the dumpster and this little metal area. And I was able to clear this pole to get to my site down here. So it may be a little intimidating if you've got a nice big Class A and you're towing something and you're worried that you're not going to make the corner. But if I can make the corner at 77 feet, you should be able to make the corner. I was a little intimidated at first, but it worked out really well. They do have some cabins here. We just had Sheila's cousin drive in from Nebraska and hang out with us for a little bit. Stayed in the cabins. The cabins are actually really nice. They're about $160 a night. And the sites themselves range anywhere from $60 to about $85 a night. Depending on your site, they have extra parking, plus then your pull-through status. So we ended up having to make it around that corner. The road's kind of tight through here, but quite honestly, it's not too bad. And then where we're located, there's three or four sites that are about 100 foot long. So as you can see, if you're a big rig, they put some gravel here so you can make your turn in easier. So with us being 100 foot, truck fit, we're on the back. Then we've got all this extra room and then the Bronco in the front. There's another site here. These are there's three biggest sites. This is the biggest site here at the park. And then back here, you have a lot of back-end sites that go up to the river that are nice. And then you have like basically another bathhouse type scenario here in the center of the RV park itself. And then I'll go take you down this way. With 91 RV sites, I mean, you have some really long back ends that go up here. And then you have some great walking trails that go next to the river. And then you have a play place here. The kiddos can come and hang out. Looks like they got the rubber wood chips. It's a really nice area. Now there's something I need to share with you though, is that on the back side of this, you got the highway here, but above that little mountain range happens to be an Air Force base. And that wonderful Air Force base has jets taking off. On the weekends, it's not bad. Generally in the morning, gets a little loud. And then around 4 or 5 o'clock, when the jets come back in, it gets a little loud because they're flying over and then landing. But other than that, I mean, this is a well done park. They take care of everything. Everything's meticulously taken care of. I don't know. It's good. It's a great little find, especially if you're going to be traveling to the Salt Lake City, Utah area. And there's so much to see around here. We took Sheila's cousin downtown. We went out shopping, eating, doing all kinds of different things just in the metro here. And it's just pretty. You're surrounded by mountains, so the views are awesome. Should put this on your list. I'll take you back up here because you can see our site. Again, that's that other little laundry facility. Now, when we leave, we'll come out of this big site, and then we have to make just one big sweeping turn here. And then from there, it's a straight shot out. So if you have a big RV, or if you're sitting there with a big toy hauler, you got a straight shot out from after you make this turn. It's not bad at all. Although if you took one of these sites, it'd probably be even easier to get out, but we're fine. Really enjoying this. Remember, if you're enjoying seeing all the different places that we're staying and stuff, on our app, we keep generally updating and posting all of the RV sites that we go to. And we enjoy doing that because it helps a lot of people. We get a lot of questions about where'd you stay since you're so big. But remember, big rig friendly is no longer just what we have, like this monster, right? It is the seismics, the wildwoods, the open ranges, your Grand Design Momentums, your Solitudes, your, Fusions. All of us that are 45 feet, then you add on your truck, you're pushing 66 feet. I mean, and then you might bring your toys with you with motorcycles or your ATV that comes out the back, UTV, and you need a lot of room. That's big rig. And that's the world we're in right now. We don't all need something huge, but big rig nowadays, your Class A with a huge 30-foot trailer, it's all big rig. I mean, that's a 75-foot setup. And we're only 2 foot longer than that. So having the luxury of having these bigger sites in today's RV travel is key. All right, putting the one wheel away. Till next time, when I get the one wheel out, I'll shout at you later.